But what if I told you that technology might make this possible? Welcome to the fascinating world of de-extinction, the science of bringing extinct species back to life.
Imagine a world where woolly mammoths roam the Arctic, dodo birds waddle through tropical forests, and Tasmanian tigers prowl the Australian outback. Sounds like science fiction, right?
And we'll answer the big question, should we even do it? Let's dive in.
Today we'll explore how cutting-edge tech could rewrite the rules of life and death.
Well, dinosaurs are probably off the table. Sorry, folks. But scientists are working on something almost as incredible, reviving species that went extinct more recently.
Ever watched Jurassic Park and wondered if we could really bring back dinosaurs?
Let's find out.
And the key to this? Technology. But how does it work, and should we even do it?
Remember Dolly the sheep, the first cloned mammal? Cloning involves taking DNA from an extinct species and inserting it into the egg of a closely related living species.
De-extinction relies on three main methods: cloning, genetic engineering, and selective breeding. Let's break them down.
CRISPR is like a molecular scissors that lets scientists cut and paste DNA. By editing the genes of a living species to match those of an extinct one, we can build extinct animals.
The egg is then implanted into a surrogate mother. This method has already been used to clone endangered species like the Pyrenean ibex, though the clone only survived for a few minutes.
This method involves breeding living species to bring back traits of their extinct relatives. Think of it as reverse evolution.
For example, scientists are working on modifying elephant DNA to create a woolly mammoth-like creature.
For instance, scientists are breeding cattle to resemble the aurochs, an extinct wild ancestor of modern cows.
Selective breeding. But why bring back extinct species? Is it just for the cool factor? Or is there a bigger purpose?
Turns out, de-extinction could have real-world benefits. Let's take a look.
Take the woolly mammoth. Scientists believe reintroducing mammoth-like creatures to the Arctic could help restore the tundra ecosystem.
These animals would trample snow, allowing cold air to reach the ground and prevent permafrost from melting, a critical step in fighting climate change.
De-extinction could also help protect endangered species by reintroducing genetic diversity.
For example, the northern white rhino is functionally extinct, with only 2 females left. Cloning or genetic engineering could save this species from disappearing forever.
Studying extinct species can teach us about evolution, genetics, and even diseases.
Imagine what we could learn from the DNA of a Neanderthal or a saber-toothed cat.
But de-extinction isn't without controversy. Critics argue that it's expensive, risky, and could divert resources from saving endangered species.
There are also ethical questions. Is it right to play God? What if the revived species suffer or disrupt ecosystems?
And who decides which species to bring back? These are tough questions with no easy answers.
So will we ever see a woolly mammoth or a dodo bird in real life? The answer is maybe.
While the technology is advancing rapidly, de-extinction is still in its early stages.
But one thing's for sure, it's pushing the boundaries of science and forcing us to rethink our relationship with nature.
De-extinction isn't just about bringing back the past, it's about shaping the future.
By combining technology, science, and ethics, we might one day restore lost species and heal damaged ecosystems.
But the question remains, should we? What do you think?
Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the science of tomorrow.
Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is wilder than you think.